What's poppin' on your games? Your boy, your Wavy 6. Right back at you with another episode. Feel me? Happy good weekend to all you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Today's Friday. But I decided to go out of my way to show my subscribers, you know what I'm saying, that I'm always active no matter what. If I'm busy, if I'm chilling, whatever the case is, I'm here for my subscribers. And I hate to kick knowledge, and while I'm in the process to be elite, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to do. Feel me? So if you ain't jacking and you ain't popping it, feel me? So this time I ain't gonna do it with the curves. I'm probably gonna do it with the curves at the last minute with the crown. Today I wanna work with palm brushes. This is a medium and this is a soft, okay? This is Diane 1702. It's been with me for like a year. This is crown. I don't know the number for this, but I know it's just a medium crown. Feel me? So, I just came out of work, you know, so I just wanted to share with you guys with that. I got another brush around here too. Torino. It's been with me for like a year. It's kind of beat up, but still working. So this is the product that I'm using today to keep my hair from being dry and keep it silky and shiny and avoid the frizzy hair and all those things. Is right here. This is what I'm using tonight. All right, this is what I'm popping tonight. So if you're gonna want to get this, you can get these beauty supplies, Walmart, you know, them big companies. You can get this. This is a good product and it smells like apple too. So let me do this real quick. Still working in this side right here. This is my main problem right here. I'm working on this side. My main problem, but it's moving now. You see right here, the outer 540 was really slanted. I'm trying to create a swerve. It's gonna take time, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna start with a medium. This is a medium, you could say medium hard. It's not a medium soft. By the way, I'm just using half of the brush, okay? Half of the brush. Because if you use the whole brush, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna create a ford. Because when you apply a lot of pressure on your waves, you're gonna make them crash. You're gonna pull one and then it's gonna crash. The main key, when you got your pattern already developed, it's just to remind your hair, you know what I'm saying, that you're there to wake them up and maintain that pattern. Because when you start brushing and you start moving and you start brushing, what you do is that you forgetting about your hair and your waves, they're gonna start fading. For you to have waves, you gotta brush every day. You could brush 15-20 minutes in the whole 8 angles. But you gotta make sure you brush every day. Or maybe if you're not really into like me, once a week, twice a week. That's if you just wanna have waves, you know, if you're not really into it. Me personally, I'm into this culture, so I'm gonna do whatever it takes for me to become elite. You see? Forward. Everything is forward right here. A little close to the crown. Not too much, you know. After you do a section with the medium and with the softy, each angle, if you want to count the strokes, you could count it. 15 this side, 15 this side. That's if you want everything even. If you don't want everything even, go ahead, do your brush whatever on this side, an hour, 2 hours. But just know this. your pattern is not gonna be complete. Because one side you're gonna be flawless, the other side is gonna be all, you know what I'm saying, frizzy, all messed up, and you're gonna feel down. So I suggest when you brush your hair, brush the same amount you brush on your left, do it to the right. I know more or less, I don't count the strokes to be honest with you, but I know when my hairs already have enough brushes. I know, so I don't mind. But if you're a new beginner and you're trying to become elite, show love each side. Alright? Show love to each side, man. Trust me. I'll only be waiting for one. You could say not 1 year, honestly. You could say on YouTube, 6 months on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm really shy with cameras, but little by little, you know, I'm gonna develop my skills as a YouTuber. For now, I'm just learning. I'm in the process. Alright, you see, you show a little love in the back to the crown. Show a little love to your crown always. Never forget your crown. You go the way in the back. Finish it with the crown. That's what made the pop out. You know what I'm saying? When you finish with the crown, it's gonna pop out more. Everything is forward. Everything is forward. Alright. It's better. Alright. On the back I do slanted. You see my hands? Slanted. You see I brush from here. I don't get close to the crown. The crown I do it separately. Right here. Couple of strokes. When you feel it's good, go to the next section. I'm giving you guys details while I'm brushing. And when you brushing each side, you see where my brush ends? Right here. My brush ends right here. That's when you're gonna continue your brushing section. So if I finish here, what I do, this is where I started, right here. This is where I'm supposed to keep brushing. You see? You just gotta continue where you finish. That way you don't overlap your waves, you know? And they connect. This is my worst side right here. This is the side that I'm fixing. I already cut my hair. I'm gonna woof again for 4, 5, maybe 6 the most. And I'm gonna cut it again. And I'm gonna continue doing it because the new hair that is coming out, you gotta try. That's what happens when you shift. That's what happens when you shift. It takes longer. But it's up to you what you want to do, you know. I choose to shift. So alright, that's already finished. I'm gonna do a quick section with the soft. I'm starting right here, downward. And I let my brush go just forward. You see I move my hands little by little in each angle. See, automatically goes to his angle. You see forward. I'm just moving the brush. You see automatically goes. It goes automatically. A little close to the crown. And down. Far from the crown. And I go back. You see, I move the brush. No moving the brush. How can I say? I'm not moving the brush. I'm just moving my hands and I'm placing it little by little to the left side. And I'm letting my brush do his own thing. All I'm doing is just putting the brush in position. He automatically go to his angle. You see? Alright. I'm gonna make this video a little bit longer because I want to use the oil. I want to make the video with the oil, me applying it. Last time I made the video, but I didn't show you putting the oil. Alright. Right here, moving the crown. Always finish with the crown work. Boom, right there in the front. Boom, right there. Okay, show you guys my pattern, the way I brush. Little by little is coming in. Okay, it's getting better. You see right here? This I will fix it. Trust me. How far you're gonna come out of there? Now you apply this. Don't put a lot. If you're going to sleep, don't put a lot. Just put enough, you know what I'm saying, to distribute all over your hair. You see? 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm putting 5 drops. 5 drops. Right? Rub it. And just go with your pattern, okay? Just go with your pattern. This is gonna give you shine, definition if you're wolfing. It's gonna shine more. It's gonna be lubricated. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna have oil. It's gonna be healthy. You're not gonna get the white dandruff that you normally get when your hands get dry. On top of that, it's gonna smell good because it smells good. It smells good. Okay. That's it. You don't have to do this every day, but you know when you do wash your styles, you do it because your hair's gonna be a little dry when your hairs get dry. When your hairs get dry, so just be advised, you don't have to do it all the time. Just when you wash and style. Okay. That's it. Right here. As you can see, let me show you here. Look at the shine. You see the shine? See how it shines? See? See the definition? Okay, just want to show you guys my ways. Alright guys, you already know, plastic bag with it. Go for 15-20 minutes. And boom. Your hair's silky to go outside. Do whatever you want, party. And that's it, you're gonna be alright. You're gonna be good. Alright? Stay out of trouble. Peace and love. You already know what you gang. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the new followers. I love ya. Love ya too. Thank you for showing me love. And we will continue to grow. Peace.